up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the bike is loaded on the back of the truck. I'm heading over to San Jose, Lane Split HQ. I was talking with the homie Son, and he was like, yo, what's up with that tank? And I was like, I have no way of fabricating or welding. He's like, man, bring that shit to the house. We'll get it done. So I'm heading over. So you guys are gonna watch the famous Son work on my bike, which I'm excited about because I've been dying to get this tank on there. If you guys haven't seen the video, I do an in-depth tutorial on how to paint that tank. The link will pop up somewhere on the screen. I always forget which section it is, but yeah. Today we're gonna watch the tank input on the bike, which I'm excited about. Let's get into it.
Son, you look good on a Sportster.
Had a few.
All right, first fill up.